Kulay Fibro, the Sashin Pad, the Kanaka video gumta, ngan Pinshai, Yakiba Don Chance, Haka Pus, Jonka, driver, fireman. Kadno mark Pidon ka chance, ban poi shaka interview, bad ban yo shasalek ru. Te Haka Pus Jonka driver fireman, kaduna bha, nadu ikan dit apply kaduna bha, te Jan Baro kinyo chance hi, tang katukan nehi kibom la bandon ka chance, dari Jan Baro hi. Tengnya page mentamo, page. Ka total number of posts karon ar pusan tali ki post jongka driver fireman te kane nga pen EP kane kadai na du ka post ka ba syura na ka post ka badon menta karon tang khatwe ndre gini ki post bede ki ba syura na du arja kan rew kumut ba amdon badap post sak tu poreng laingun na po kasijintia sipongun na po garo hil we na po oras tran kumut ba kilat ki post ki thli te la no sha mta usnem kumut ba kadon chance ba ya baro kan tapi kipus gilong kumne pen spotli namtai kasijantia spotli namtai garo shipus namta order tribe lai point nyo lawan sakasawi namtai ki open category te candidate ki wan mare pada from Shillong region candidate ki don kamba shispa khat prangut and from Garo region only 9 so that mean all are selected 9 kapus kadeshi po the post is stand for Garo candidate and the candidate is only 9 the out of 9 then they will go through to the interview directly without no competition directly if they score less also if they score 50 also they will go directly to interview then in the interview if they know the right driving test all the documents and everything they will their post is already confirmed but if they are not having the document and everything then they will not get the job otherwise they will already fix the job is already done te sanagane khazi bde khasi jinda gidon chispa khat prang ngut kiba one to exam te nakine bade kindon gibom one to exam ro te kidon giba bakala jigli don gibe ke te shubu no tai te hangne ro ladon lang bada ora tribe khasi shkendo khat saw tli post channel page ndama the shkendo chispa ngode pemta kalong nawayu te exam kare chispa oka jumarek le chispa full mark exam kare laispa tengala pe ke jingkeli kham bani compare bani kini giwe te ka kham hi bani compare ba ka fireman mat ke yubi kham ka jongki niki driver fireman te kumne pe nga ka full mark lada kiyo chispa san pho ka total lada kiyo ars percent pho word ba na ki khasi candidate ma Garo candidate you are already through namtai khasi candidate ars percent pho direct by interview selection interview ars par for don chan Gimla tip yo babaro uru kipo interview mo shispa ngot yo kin po interview maduna ka pos nomor ba ya ka driver kin haban try kin haban le hi ka driving test for interview tel da kim biang kim te ka daw haban I think you will select all of them also or lane tang san phonguru ki haban select te kumut ba la bi cross arspa don chance ba it may be mo ka hope kalong bait ba it may be all or it may be tang rupol ane umtai muru ka chances ka khamyadon hi namtai baro ka hope ka don bait ngo video ben cross bi kumne mo arspa amare competition no te mun ba don cross bait ka arspa senang plus lang bat jing mare bat exam arspa senang film cross bait ki bayo duna ek arspa mun ba pilahab lupa ki last number te ajan jare phi telda fi cross kini ki number lada fi cross ek arspa san phone lai telda tikana bait juga arspa senang bait minyo te ngakermen ba kitu blala bha kin don hi ka chance te sapan khre bahan tang interview ru marwa kani ka post ka khamduna na du candidate giduna ki ba apply jong kani ga driver fireman te tang kini gi jing penshahi ngatrai phi la suthu ikiti gibran kam ba ka no mak phi din kam anyo te ngatrai phi la check hi gi jingli bla khen gi mak te ka no hup ka chance ka don ga jong phi te pen biang lupa gi document gi devran kam iki ba la tikana bakin po interview khre bha tang interview ka jong phi tang kini hi khule jibon